Let's get you ready for the weekend. Many of you maybe have Monday off. Of course, traveling throughout the state, no concerns right now. And actually, if you're going towards southern Utah, it's going to be another nice day starting off in St. George with clear conditions. Temperature 33 degrees, winds are calm. Temperatures climbing once again close to 60 degrees in St. George. Now starting off along the Wasatch Front, clouds moving in. We're calling it mostly cloudy, upper 20s right now. Winds also calm, where we did have a weak cool front move through the state yesterday. That kicked up the winds, especially yesterday afternoon into the evening hours. We had road closures from Evanston through Rock Springs with blowing snow. We had winds along the Wasatch Front between 20 to 30 miles per hour, but across the state, things are calm, and it should remain fairly calm. Also, maybe if you go up in some of the mountains, we could see some definitely windy conditions near the ridges. But as we take a look across the state, no current winter watches in place, at least throughout the state, but surrounding the state, particularly across northern Utah through northeastern Nevada into southeastern Idaho, we do have winter watches and warnings in place. But by tomorrow, we could be incorporating some of northern Utah as we're looking at snow to fall mainly across the mountains of northern Utah. Now, how much? Let's take a look at our models next 48 hours, where as we look at the snow for tonight through tomorrow morning, the ranges, as you can see, from Sundance about 5 inches, 8 inches of snowbird. As you can look even further north, kind of in that range between 4 to 8 inches. As we push though through Sunday into Monday morning, it continues to pile up. As we look at this storm that's going to be pushing through, where initially coming in from the west, it's going to be wet, heavy, dense snow, and then some lighter snow on top of that. But the ranges that we're looking at is between 12 to 18 inches. Now, what about the valleys? As this flow coming in from the west, we're going to see a lot of rain, actually, except in extreme northern Utah. It will change over into the snow, but by that time, the storm begins to move on, even though we could see in some spots a little accumulation, but mainly along the grassy areas. But as you can see for the Wasatch Front, it's less than an inch if we see much at all. Again, with this storm, bringing in the moisture, but it's going to be taking some time before that colder air moves in and allows for that rain to change over into snow. Now across the state, again, clouds moving through. Extreme northern Utah, we're noticing a few flurries traveling as you go I-84, right hitting towards the Utah-Idaho border. Extreme northern Utah, you might see a flurry today, but that's about it. We're in this west, slightly northwesterly flow, caught up in that flow, a lot of moisture, so we're going to be pushing in that moisture with the possibility of some showers starting tonight. Colder air behind, though, that comes through Sunday night through Monday. What will that do? Well, again, let's look at the models, looking what we're finding as far as precipitation is concerned here for the next 48 hours. Not much until this afternoon over the mountains, beginning to see a little bit of activity. By midnight, though, the mountains do fill in. We start to see, as you look in that Green Valley rain, that rain fills in also waking up tomorrow morning. So throughout the day tomorrow, we keep snow levels above the valleys and the benches throughout Sunday into the afternoon, evening as well. Then the cold push hits, changing that rain into snow. But again, you're not seeing much activity beyond that. Maybe potentially Monday afternoon with just a few light snow showers across northern Utah. Today, though, temperatures slightly above normal. We'll call it mostly cloudy across the north, partly cloudy skies across the south. Temperatures returning to the 60s today. In St. George, Sunday, you're in the 60s as well. A little cooler on Monday, but next 7 days looks to be dry. And for northern Utah, we're going to be looking at 40s. The showers hit tonight through Sunday. Again, it's mainly rain. Chance of rain turning into snow Monday. Then we clear out nicely. Cooler, though, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, back down into the 30s. But we don't see 50s in the forecast. No, we got that yesterday. But not a bad day today. We just have the clouds. It's going to be a little gray out there.
It was nice while it lasted.
It was nice.
It will return.
Gave us a little spring fever, too.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, it was nice. Thanks so much.